Hello everybody, I hope everybody's having a great day today. Okay, today's agenda, I am going to try to copy or get a reasonable facsimile of a look that I just fell in love with from Alicia Archer. She did a fall look that I just fell in love with. And in the meantime, we are in, this is October 5th. Don't know when this video is going up, hopefully before November. But we are having record-breaking temperatures right now this week. So I'm wearing a sundress for the sun that my shoulders will never see, and doing a fall look a la Alicia. So please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. Okay, what I am using is not the palette that Alicia has. I do not have that palette. It is a very expensive palette. It is the Metropolis palette, but I have a reasonable facsimile of it. Even this alter ego, or whomever bought out alter ego, changed the formulas, so they are not, in my opinion, as good as they used to be. So I am using the Artemis palette, as we can see here. I'm trying not to blind you guys. And let's see, I am going to use, not in any particular order, I am going to use Chase, I'm going to use Pursuit, and I cannot remember if I'm going to use I think it's Prowl, and I have not determined an inner corner highlight yet. Yeah, I was trying to determine what to use because the names on the Metropolis and the locations of the eyeshadows on the Metropolis are not the same as on the Artemis palette, and I watched her video again day before yesterday when I wanted to do this, and it just, stuff happens. It's called lazy. And so I'm hoping I've got it down. Now I'm going to start, what did I say, with swatching them. It was very tightly packed, so I don't, sorry about that. So I don't know how well I'm going to do with this. I mean, this is my version, and that's all I can do because I don't have Alicia's talent. I really don't. And she's got the gift of the gab. And she's hilarious. So here we go. And I'm going to try and tell you about a little adventure that I was on yesterday at Sephora. Now, the Sephora in the mall closest to us, last time I was there, I don't know, a month, time is fleeting for me, I have no concept of it anymore. It was under renovation, so when I went in there the last time, it was concrete floor and everything was a mess. I went in this time and it was like nice, because every other time I've gone into Sephora, everything is so dark, I feel like I can't see anything. It's like, turn the light on please so I can see what I'm looking at. So they changed the floor to a white floor with a black stripe, and the walls and the ceiling, everything was white, so you could actually see what you were looking at. And the lady at Sephora, and this is another thing, I don't think I've ever been to that Sephora and seen the same people work there every time. It's always different people when I go there. Be that as it may, she was exceptionally amazing. I didn't go in there with the intent to purchase anything, but then I saw what she was showing me and I wanted to purchase something. But guess what? They don't have stock. So first she brings me to the Lady Gaga itty bitty display of foundations and concealers, and on the display they have 5 foundations and 6 concealers. And out of those 6 concealers, they do have the samples that you can swatch and test out. And behind them, you know how you've got, okay, I can buy this. You take it out and you buy it. Well, they had 1 row left, and I think they had 3. I don't think they had any of the foundations left. So she's trying to test out my color, and of course she's putting it here on the crease, and I need the Lady Gaga. But even the neutral was yellow. It was it should have a W, not an N to it. Okay, let me try Pro. So she's swatching everything on all my creases, and this stuff is not creasing. And I'm going at it and pushing at it and just trying to, it was not creasing. It was, and then it's like, first of all, they don't even have a display with even half of the available colors, let alone have any stock. So that was annoying. So I, by the corner of my eye, noticed, oh, that's the wrong color. That's right, I'm supposed to go with stealth. So out of the corner of my eye, I noticed the Merit display. And Merit had two sections, one display and one where there's an even smaller display. And I'm like, okay, let's look at these eyeshadows, because it's pretty much all I'm missing, except for maybe one or two more blushes, you know, that kind of thing. But I was checking out the eyeshadows. They had 3 of the eyeshadows as testers, and they had 1 of the eyeshadow colors that still had some available. Okay, so she brings me to the other side where the other teeny tiny display is. It was even worse. I'm like, why'd you bring me here if I can't buy one? So I was done. Plus hubby was waiting, and I'm like, I'm done. My body was, we had been there for over an hour already because we had lunch at the food court, and the 3rd floor was so hot, the AC was not working properly. How do I know that? I worked in heating and air conditioning. I know that the AC, if it's that muggy and you've got the AC on, there's something wrong with your AC. So anyway, I was dripping in sweat, my hair was soaked, and I had my hair down and didn't have a clip. So I was soaked, and I'm like, okay, I got it. Bye. The 2 things that I was teased with, I could not get. So that was, yes, I know I put more there, it just got stuck talking. I lost myself in Sephora. So that was fun. The food was good though. I always get the Thai noodles, and my hubby always gets me dumplings because he goes to the Chinese counter and he gets me I can't remember the actual Chinese name of them, but they are shrimp dumplings in rice wraps. So yum. And then he got me to go so quickly that I didn't put socks on. I just put my shoes on. I never wear shoes without socks. So I got a blister, and the blister got ripped off. Thanks, Manny. Thanks. Now I've got a big band-aid on my big toe, and it's the same big toe with an ingrown toenail. Yeah, TMI, I know, but deal with it. I'm looking for sympathy points here. And as my ex-husband used to say, you'll find sympathy between SHIT and SYPHL. No, I'll write it down at the bottom. I don't want to say it out loud. Yeah, that's where you'll find sympathy. I need to put some under my, whoops, sorry. I always do that. I get to my editing and I'm like, are you kidding me? You did it again, Bridget. Stop doing that. I'm trying to get through more and more editing so that I can post more often. That's the reason why I posted so few compared to what I used to do, because I got behind on my editing, because I would always have like at least 8 videos ready to post for you guys, and then all of a sudden I got down to 2 and I'm like, no. So I've been trying to edit like crazy, It's so hard. I should almost buy another one. It's not old. It's just I bought it shortly after it got bought out, and they changed the formula. Like I decluttered Shadow Kiss, and there were 2 others I bought as well, and I decluttered them because I did not like the formula. They redid it. Either that or they had to reformulate just for Canada, which is highly possible. And it's very hard pressed. I don't like it. And now they've got this new palette as a facsimile of the empowered palette that I want, and I don't want to waste my money. Yeah, you guys in the US can tell me this is what the formula feels like, but that's not what it's going to feel like for here in Canada. It's going to be different unless they make it for Canadians and sell it to the US as well. We can only hope. We can only hope. Okay, so Chase. Alicia also does not have hooded eyes, so when she does her makeup, it looks so amazing. She also has young eyes. Oh, that's the other thing. While I was up at the mall, I figured all my makeup had melted off, and so I just washed my face to get the residue or whatever off last night, but my face cloth was full of foundation, so that's telling me that my makeup held pretty well. That actually looks really, really good. Just trying to, I think it's going to be another Dior. Yeah. We're gonna go with this one. Did I tell you put thrift shop on underneath? I did. Just in case I didn't tell you. Oh, and I was trying to determine which blush I should use. I used the LYS, and all I did was take one like this and put it on my hand and spread it out, and I still only used 1/3 of it. It's so pigmented. And then I used my Persona blush in Dune, and I used my Sephora highlighter in Stellar. Definitely Stellar. So yeah, I'm gonna have fun trying to wash all this off. No, that's what I keep forgetting. I keep forgetting to just go over this with my finger, because we know it always makes a difference. I can't buy anything from Alterego yet. I need to find out if they did anything to the Canadian formula first, because the formula used to be great. It was great. I had so many Alterego palettes. I even repurchased 2 of them, but the formula was crap. It's absolute crap. I don't know what they did. It's all hard packed. It's almost like what's it called when you have to put the sticker down. That, I'll write it down at the bottom. I was thinking of putting on an eyeliner, but I'm melting already, so that's not going to happen. What is going to happen is mascara. I shall return. Now, hubby came home. It's too hot to keep working. It's yeah, his clothes looked like he had jumped in the shower without taking them off. Pretty much like how I looked yesterday. So, be that as it may, I used my Mellow in Rose, but I have 3 lipsticks to choose from. The first one is my LYS. Okay, so we've got that. And then I've got Odin's Eye in Brown Rose and Tulipa Kiss. Okay, So brown rose, Tulipa Kiss. I think I'm going to do Tulipa Kiss. It's got a hint of red in it. It feels so nice. I was an idiot to not use them. Duh. I think it goes with the look. It doesn't go with the outfit. But it goes with the eyes. I think so. Let me know what you guys think, because I need to know if it does or it doesn't. Because I need to learn about colors. I really do. A little bit more every day. So there we go. There is my fall look on another day, which might beat another heat record, October 5th. Looking good. Thank you everybody for coming to visit with me once again. Please leave me a comment, like my video, and subscribe to my channel. A bientôt.